ready to take a cruise on Virgin. Last year when we cruised on Virgin, we stayed at the Intercontinental, which was great. Gave you a room tour, where to stay in Miami before a cruise. We're gonna do where else to stay in Miami before a cruise today. So we are at the ELSER Hotel. It is pretty new. It's like a condo hotel. So we have a studio. I think they have 1 and 2 bedroom units here. I'm extremely impressed so far. When we checked in, customer service downstairs was amazing. Smells good, lobby's clean, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna show you around real quick. Now, we're just here for 1 night, but they've got everything you need if you know, we're gonna be here for more than 1 night. So this is the bathroom. So, you know, nice, simple, huge drawer for your stuff right here. We've got a giant shower in there. And amenities, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, probably stuff like that. Toilet.
Do a towel test.
Towel test. Oh, these are pretty nice. These are probably an 8. 8 out of 10.
I like the lighting in the mirror.
Yeah. Look, washer and dryer. Full size washer dryer. If you want to do laundry, you can. So like I said, this is a studio. We've got a queen bed. Looks super comfortable.
That looks king.
Oh, this is gonna be nice.
That looks like a king.
Maybe a king.
I think it's a king.
Here you've got USB ports on both sides.
Oh, yay.
And little reading lights that come on. You've also got plugs here. More USB-C and USB, what's the other one?
C and USB-A.
C and A. And regular plug. And a cool little table.
USB-B.
You know, to put your...
Whatever. Regular USBs.
So, both sides,
Both sides.
which is awesome. Nice little bench. And more plugs over there. This is what's cool. Look at the size of this closet. This closet is huge. You've got drawers in here for stuff. Slippers. Ironing board, hangers. This is your safe. But you could like dance in here. And then I'm assuming this is the TV. When you turn it on, it's a mirror right now. And underneath there, looks like entertainment kind of system. The other side of the TV is on this side. So this, I'm assuming, is a pull-out couch, you know, for kids or other guests. And then a nice little table area. Check out the view outside. We're on the 45th floor. 45th floor.
Oh, look at that boat.
That is a big yacht.
Look at that yacht.
Harbor. That's huge.
And there is the Virgin Cruise port terminal right there.
Full size fridge and freezer. Nice. I'm assuming that this comes with dishes. Yep, dishes, wine glasses, cocktail glasses, phone, got a little soap, dishwasher. All your utensils, and microwave. So this is awesome. We got little bottles of water and the coffee maker. So storage here. So you can stay here for like a week or more.
Yeah.
And be happy. So yeah, this is the ELSER Hotel. So far I love it.
So far.
So the TV is, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I'm gonna tell them about it.
Compared this hotel to the Intercontinental that we stayed at last year.
Right.
You kind of prefer the amenities.
I preferred the amenities better because they had like a full service restaurant. They actually had 2 full service restaurants in the lobby. They had a lot of places to sit in the lobby. This lobby is very sparse here. So it is more like an apartment building than a hotel.
It is. It's like a condo hotel.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah. So, but you got full-size appliances. If you plan on staying for a while and you get groceries and stuff, this is great. And go ahead.
I would think, if I was gonna do it, I would maybe stay the night before the cruise at the Intercontinental. Maybe stay the night after the cruise if you're gonna be staying in Miami here, because we've got a full-size washer and dryer.
Right.
If you wanna do laundry after your cruise or whatever. The kitchen is nice. It's nice to have a full-size fridge with an ice maker, water, filtered water in the fridge and all that stuff. So, pros and cons.
Yeah, there's pros and cons. I mean, the price wasn't bad. It was $247. We booked it on Expedia, so it wasn't. The staff is wonderful. The staff was great.
Yeah.
So
yeah, they had a pool bar. The pool was nice.
Yeah.
So plus and minuses to both. It just depends on what you want. We like to have bars and restaurants on property.
Right. To where we don't have to go walk, places and get a good meal. Like we did, I mean, it wasn't that far to walk to Vero Italian. It was good food. It was really good Italian food, but, you had to walk.
And there are lots of choices nearby.
Right, because you can go to Bayside Market, which is right across the street, and those are chains, and we wanted to try something more Miami.
Local, yeah. So, I mean, great stay. Overall, the bed was extremely comfortable.
Yes.
Pillows were comfortable.
Yes.
It was quiet.
Yes. Can't beat the view.
Can't beat the view. The view is amazing. So I'm happy that we stayed here.
I'm happy that we stayed here too. I said there are pluses to this and there's pluses to the other one. So it's just
depends on your choice and what you like the best.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about the ELSER or even the Intercontinental, let us know in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them.
But I would stay both places before a cruise.
Oh yeah, totally. Either or.
Yeah, either or. I would
probably
interchange them.
Probably just depending on price.
What
kind of price you get.
Right.
Okay. If you haven't done so already, please do us a huge favor. It really does help us a lot. Hit the subscribe button.
It's red like us.
Ding the notification bell so that you know when we post. And give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And we will see you guys next time. Okay. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.